In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get to For My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Okay, so I've loaded up Snapchat right now, and if you want to get to the For My Eyes Only section, then you want to navigate to where the memories are, which is this button here on the left hand side of the record button. If I tap on that, that's going to take me to my memories. Now you can see at the top it says Snap Stories Camera Roll, and then the last option there is My Eyes Only. And before you actually use My Eyes Only, you have to set it up. So you want to tap on the blue set up button to get access to it. Now another way that you can just quickly get access to My Eyes Only is if you just simply swipe up from the top of the screen. That will take you to your memories, and it will default to the snaps, and you can send these snaps to My Eyes Only by tapping this little button here at the top right hand corner, that little tick mark. If you tap on that, then select, let's just say I'll select these 3 snaps. Then I'll tap on this button at the bottom bar. You see all those options where it says hide, tap on hide, and then it says move snaps to My Eyes Only so they're out of the way when showing memories to your friends. And then you'll just need to go through the quick setup to set that up, and then it will go to the My Eyes Only section. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to drop a like onto it and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.